Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update WooCommerce products using WP All Import. Full guide step by step clearly. To update WooCommerce products using WP All Import, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the WP All Import plugin section. Once there, click on New Import. Select the file you want to use for the product updates. This file can be in CSV, XML, or Excel format. After uploading your file, choose Existing Products for the import method. Next, you will need to match the unique identifier of your products. Typically, this is the SKU or product ID. On the next screen, you'll set up the import template. Make sure to drag and drop the fields you wish to update. You can update product titles, prices, stock status, and other attributes. Once you've set up your template, click Continue to Step 4. In this step, review your import settings carefully. Ensure the correct product updates are displayed in the preview. You can also configure additional settings, such as scheduling the import. When ready, click the Confirm and Run Import button. WP All Import will process your file and update the products accordingly. After the import is complete, check your product listings. Verify that the updates have been applied as intended. If any issues arise, consult the WP All Import documentation for troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.